What's up, Lake of the Ozarks? William Holtz here at Lake TV, and it's time for another LOZ featured dock presented by Kwik Car Dock Cleaning. And today we're at the 11.5 mile marker to meet with Bill McNeil. He's got deep ties to Lake of the Ozarks Shootout, a great story here at Lake of the Ozarks, and a killer dock you see behind me. Let's see if we can pull him off the water so he can tell us all about it.
Maximize your lake time with Kwik Car's dock cleaning. Find out more at kwikcarmo.com.
All right, so we were successful in getting Bill to come in off the water, off of his Sea-Doo. Seemed like this isn't your first time being out there on the water.
I've been on the lake a couple times before in my 57 years at the Lake of the Ozarks.
57 years, and it's all come full circle right here to the 11.5 mile marker. Bill McNeil, thanks for having us today, man. I want you to kind of share some of that rich lake history and how you kind of got started with Lake of the Ozarks.
Well, my family used to go and stay at Captain's Fancy Resort. It used to be up on the Mill Creek Arm, and we got to go to the lake 1 week a year, and it was the highlight of a young kid's year. I have 3 brothers and 3 sisters, so my father had a full day pulling skiers. They hadn't invented inner tubing to speak of by then. You either skied or you rode in the boat. So we did that for many years. We actually reacquainted ourselves when we moved to this location with the Harold Jansen, a friend who just passed away last December. But he had 3 sons, the ages of my brothers. So we would all play down there at the lake, and Dr. Jansen is one of them, and his brother Terry and Pat. And so they were down all the time. And so I had a strong fondness for being at the lake. We moved over here in about 1999, back in the cove, quiet water. My daughter met her husband, who their family is 2 doors down.
Wow.
So they grew up together, and they've been married going on 9 years now. And they have 2 children, and they're perpetuating the lake family generation. I have 2 other daughters, and they come down all the time. Like I say, this is the family place. The dock, the deck, the house, everything's designed for the family.
I know it's a newer dock, and who built this dock for you, Bill?
Rough Water Dock.
Yeah, we love those guys.
Well, this is the second one I've had. Just like you get 3-foot itis on the boats, you gotta get a bigger dock. So
yeah.
So John Crabtree and Rough Water Dock, they designed and built this dock. They incorporated all the little details that you want in a dock. Everything they did on this dock, it fits our needs to a T.
Yeah.
They did a really good job.
Yeah, and you mentioned you've got the kids and the grandbabies. That's what it's all about now.
Yep.
To you, because your family's pretty big into the water sports, the skiing, the stuff like that.
My son-in-law, Jared Hall, and his wife, Sarah, my daughter, and my 2 other daughters, Jenny and Katie, are avid water sports people. They get up every morning and go skiing, surfing, wakeboarding. I have tried surfing unsuccessfully one time, and I think I will concede the fact that that isn't going to happen for me.
Oh, don't throw in the towel, Bill. Maybe we'll try it today.
No, I'm going to pass on that one. I don't think they make a big enough surfboard.
But you've got lots of stuff from the standing paddleboard to everything back in the shed. We go back over there and take a look?
Certainly.
All right, so as we look in this cool shed that the guys over at Rough Water built you, you've got almost every single water sport gear you could have, and I guess that's for the kids and grandkids. What all you got going on in here, Bill?
Well, we have a collection of surfboards, wakeboards.
I'm dying to get you on one of these things.
That
man.
one is actually for my granddaughter. It's a smaller one. Hang on a second. This one comes out.
Oh, nice. Did you build those?
Yes.
Look at this guy's the jack of all trades.
So, yeah, so they got their toys.
Oh, that's cool.
This is old school hydro slide. We haven't, those are from the 70s.
And that you just pull and somebody sits
Yeah.
on?
Mm-hmm. That's a good trainer for little kids.
Nice.
Everybody's got to have their own personalized slalom ski. And then we have the heavy people skis, which I use, and the big, wide slalom ski.
Don't appreciate you calling me that, but you did pick that one. Yeah, that would be the one I would be using. This is awesome. And then this has got a lot of your sound stuff in here, and then you've even got the door to pull down. TV, you said you guys like to come out Sunday morning and watch a little...
Formula One. Yes, that's one of my son-in-law's favorites. He'll watch Formula One on Sunday morning, and they'll sit in the boat and act like they're at the drive-in theater.
That's perfect. So you got all the water activities, and that one goes a little faster, creates a big wake over the Tri-Tune. But between, you know, your guys' porch right there, your patio that basically is on the water, and the dock, what percentage of your guys' time do you think is spent out here?
70 to 75% of the time.
That's truly lake living.
Yes, absolutely.
This is your paradise, and we certainly appreciate you welcoming us in today. And from the 11.5 mile marker with Bill McNeil, I'm William Holtz, and that is our latest LOZ featured dock presented by Kwik Car Dock Cleaning.
I've tried it one time. It was, nobody told me you can't drink beer while you're on one, because I took a drink of beer and then it started to go and I shot the board out from underneath me. And
But you fell off the board happy because you had a beer in your hand.
yeah, but I lost the beer.
Oh,
so,
well, you didn't drink fast enough.
Exactly.